Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Dhanprakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study the one more formula, that is the slope of line, which is from the coordinate geometry. Now in this formula, the line L is intersect to the x and y axis. The angle made by line L with x-axis is theta. Now on this line 2 points are given and the coordinate of the points are also given in the figure. P its coordinate x1 y1 and q its coordinate x2 y2. These 2 points lie on the line L are any 2 points. Then we can find out the slope of line L. The ratio y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is called the slope of the line L. Now slope is denoted by m. So we can write down this ratio m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And also slope of line using the ratio in a trigonometry, we can use the tan theta. The slope of line L equal to m equal to tan theta, means slope of line is denoted by m equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle made by line L with x-axis. Then we can write down the slope of line is m equal to tan theta, or we can write down m equal to, if the coordinates of the points are given, then we can write down slope of line equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then we see the example. In this example, theta equal to 60 degrees given. Find the slope of line. Then we write down the formula. Slope of line m equal to tan theta, where theta is 60 degree given, then tan 60, the value of tan 60 is under root 3. So we can say that the slope of line is under root 3. Now see the second question, theta equal to 90. Now we can write down slope of line equal to m equal to tan theta, means m equal to tan 90. See the theta is 90. 90 means this line L is like a y-axis, and slope of y-axis is not find or is not defined. So the slope of y-axis is not defined, so we can say that the slope of this line is not defined. When this line make an angle 90 degree, the slope of line m equal to tan theta, tan 90, then value of tan 90 is not defined, so the slope of line L is not defined. Then see the question third. In this question 2 points are given. Those points lie on the line. The coordinate of the points are minus 3 1 and the coordinate of q point is 5 comma minus 2. Now we write down the coordinates of the point P is x1 y1 and q is x2 y2. The value of x1 is minus 3, y1 is 1, and value of x2 is 5 and y2 is minus 2. Then write down the formula. Slope of line equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Put the values, where y2 is minus 2, y1 is 1, minus 2 minus 1 divided by x2 is 5 and x1 is minus 3, so minus 3. Then minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 5 minus 3 means plus 3. That is the minus 3 upon 5 plus 3. Minus 3 as it is, 5 plus 3, 8. The slope of line PQ is minus 3 upon 8. Then again see the example. determine whether the following points are collinear. Now see, the 3 points are given. Point P having coordinates in bracket 2 minus 5. The Q point having coordinate in bracket 1 minus 3. The point R having coordinate in bracket minus 2, 3. Now in solution, the slope of line PQ, see these 3 points whether the collinear or not. For that we must find out the slope of this PQ and also find the slope of QR. If the slope of these two segments are same, then we say that the points are collinear. If the slope of these two segments are not same, then we say that the points are not collinear. So the slope of line PQ, we write down the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now put the values here. y2 is minus 3 and y1 is minus 5. So minus 3 minus minus 5, then 1 minus 2, minus 3 plus 5, then 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 3 plus 5 is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2 divided by this minus 1. Then we write down here a plus 2. Minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 divided by minus 1. Then we write down here final answer is minus 2. Means slope of this PQ is minus 2. Then the slope of line QR equal to, again write down, y2 is 3 minus minus 3 divided by x2 is minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1. This 3 minus minus 3 means plus 3. 3 plus 3 divided by minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 divided by minus 3. That is the, we can write down minus 2. The slope of PQ and slope of QR is minus 2. So the slope of PQ and slope of QR are the same. So Q is the common point. Point PQR are the collinear points. In this way we can find out whether the given points are collinear or not. Now see the question number 4. Find K if the coordinate of point R is 1 in bracket 1 minus 1 and coordinate of point S is minus 2 comma K and slope of line RS is minus 2. Find the value of K. Then I can write down the formula slope of line, that is the y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, but the slope of line RS is minus 2 already given. So we write down the value of y2 minus y1. So minus 2 equal to K minus minus 1. Then x2 is minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 means slope of the line RS as it is. Then minus 1. K minus minus 1 means K plus 1. Then minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Then this minus 3 goes to the left side and multiply to the minus 2. We get here plus 6 and K plus 1 as it is. Then this 1 goes to the right side and change its sign, minus 1. The 6 minus 1, K equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. The value of K is 5. In this way we use the slope of the line formula. Good day, goodbye, okay.